What's going on, you guys? Okay, so this is gonna be a short video to a degree. Now we're going to make half barbecue and half baked chicken. What you need is your chicken thawed out. I had mine out since 11, probably. I don't know. And then you want your bowls. Got a bunch of clean bowls right here. Then you want some veggies along with it. You know, it says great for salads for cooking, easy stove, and microwave instructions on the back. For those of us who lazy, all that. Get all that. Yeah. Just in case you get this brand, that's what it says. You can pause the video and come back on for that. I got my water. I'll be thirsty. Yeah. And stuff like that. Okay. So what you want to do is you want to take a certain amount of chicken. Move it, just in case you got like 2 sinks. You know, move it. And you want to take a certain amount that you got in here, and take what you're gonna cook, and then the rest will be on the refrigerator. Okay. So I'll be back real quick. Hey guys, so we're back. What we're gonna do is right now we're going to pop in the chicken inside the plates right here. These are already pre-washed. But if you want to subscribe to my channel for more cooking, how-tos, gaming, reactions, you can click that button. Let me know. Please comment down below what would you like me to do or cook next. I'm only cooking what I have, but we're gonna do how I season and everything right back. Alright, so we are back again, and I want you guys to understand that when it comes to your chicken, you want to make sure it's clean. Like, I don't care what doctor, you know, I say that he don't clean his chicken. Clean your damn chicken, okay? Wash your freaking chicken, okay? Because we know we ain't going to his house for Thanksgiving. Alright, this is what we're cooking up tonight. We're going to be cooking up some of this. Yeah, we're gonna cook up this, like I said earlier. We're gonna do that, get some healthiness in it. Got my water, because I stay thirsty. We got the salt. Just in case you can't have this, always use this, okay? And we got this going on. This tastes really good. I know this is just for seafood, but it tastes good on your chicken. Don't knock it till you try it. And this is just for coloring. That's just my opinion. Okay, so we got the pan full of chicken. I did a little bit of seasoning in the bottom of the pan, just a little bit, so it can cover the back and everything. So I don't have to do everything. I like to be lazy. And we have our full chickens up there. We got the wings. We got the wingless. Comment down below who's down with the flats or the drums. Please let me know. I'm all flats. If you all drums, stay out your feelings. It's all right. It's all right. So we're gonna bake this. It's gonna be half barbecue with barbecue sauce and half baked. So stay tuned for that. All right, guys. All right, this is what we got. You know, I don't know if y'all can see that. But it's basically telling me you use oil, canola oil or butter. I'm fat, so I'm gonna use butter. Yeah, that's all I got. And it says, you know, cook it down until it glitters and put your seasonings. So that's what I'm gonna put seasonings in. Got 2 packs of these. As for our chicken, about to season it right now. You know, old school, you season by sight. Whatever seems fat to you. You season by sight. Okay? I was putting that on there. Yeah. It's time to put that up on there. Sorry if it's not focusing, but this is what we're doing. Put that in there. I'm about to put this next, but very light. Because I already put it on the bottom, so there's no point going too much. My fault. And paprika. I'll put that on there. Alright. Someone tricked me because they don't know how to do that. And I forgot it had a lid. So, being I'm bright. So what we think? Yeah. So I kind of like, you know, jacked it up. I don't know if y'all can see that. Kind of jacked it up. But we're going to make it work. Alright? So, let's get back to what we're doing. Make sure you use gloves if you're mixing your chicken. Like, you know, doing that. Make sure you wear gloves. And I'm going to add this barbecue sauce. I'm going to add to one side. Hey guys, my camera cut off, but this is what I was trying to say. I kind of jacked up, you know, forgot I had a lid. I can just, you know, sprinkle it, but I did too much. But we're not going to worry about that because we're going to mush it together, you know, all that together. So these are the seasonings that I use. If you can't use that, you can always, you know, use this, you know. So, and I'll be using this barbecue sauce. There we go. And everything. So half chicken is going to be barbecued and the other half is going to be baked. So let's get into it. Alright, so what we're doing right now is we're mushing and squishing and all that nasty stuff. What the hell is this? Sorry, YouTube cousins. I'm just saying. What is this? It's still holding on. It's still holding on. Okay, anyway. Okay, we're going. But for you guys, which one do you like? You like flats? Or you like the drums? I like flats. It tastes good. If it's done right, it tastes good. And yeah, so hope the quality is good when it comes to sound and video because I have my headphones on. So it's the regular one. This looks a hot mess. So, but ain't nobody eating but me, so it's alright. It's okay. The cheesy for sneezy. Oh man, they're trying to kill me. They need to take out the phone. So now that that's done, got my hand looking like something crazy. Yeah, all of that. I don't know if y'all can see it if I'm doing it right, but it looks, you know, worse in person. So I got all of that. So what we're gonna do, take the gloves off, Michael Jackson, and then we're going to put our BBQ on half the chicken. Alright. And then we're gonna take the sides, but we're gonna use another glove. You don't want to use the same glove because you don't want to, you know, even though it may not make any sense to you, but it makes sense to me. So it's kind of redundant, but whatever. But I like to smooth all the barbecue sauce on my meat so it can look covered and smothered and all that stupid stuff. Oh. Anyway. And then Stick it in the oven. Put your oven to 350. Pop that bad boy in there. That's done. Yeah, so that's done. I'm picking up because I'm looking at the time. Then I'm about to cook this, and then I'm gonna show you how this is done once it's in the pot and it's steaming, and we getting ready to go. What I'm gonna put in here for seasoning will be this. Some of this paprika. And some of this. Dope. You guys, I'm back again. I got the butter. Blue bunnies or whatever you call it. I stay fat. I'm thinking ice cream. Blue bunny. Whatever, you know what I'm talking about. Put this in here. I got a little bit of water inside the pot, and if I needed to add any more, I would. But you can dig in the bag and put as many, you know, leaves in here and stuff like that. So I'm not trying to overcapacitate everything. So I think for me, I will only make one bag. Leave the other bag for like tomorrow, because I kind of eat a lot. So I'm only use one bag, the other bag's going out. Okay guys, real quick, I'm not putting any of these seasonings inside the baked beans. I already put it in the pot. I don't know if you can see it, but I already put it in the pot, and I'm not beat to put all the seasoning inside it, because baked beans, they already got their own thing going on. So definitely not. Okay. One, refill my drink. Stay thirsty. Facts. And put this on the stove. What you do with baked beans, you literally take it out of the can, put it in a pot, and heat it up on the stove. But you gotta watch it. You know, stir it up until you see like it's bubbling. Then it's like mainly done. But you don't want it to burn. Okay. Let's look over here real quick. I got my stuff. Yeah, you see the greens? Got that cooking, bubbling. It's down. I might add the other, like a half a bag of more greens. I don't know if I'm going to, but I doubt it. But yeah, that cooked. And we got the chicken in the oven, so yeah, we're gonna see how everything turns out when it's done. Okay, you guys, so we got everything done. The chicken is done. I know you can't tell the difference from each other, but I can. This side is the barbecue. This one is the baked, and we got our greens. Sorry about that, my camera light cut off, but we got our greens. And then we got our baked beans. So that's all for today. And I'm gonna get my grub on. And I'll see you guys on another cooking video.